students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, in the figure, if DE is parallel to BC, then the correct relation among the following is. So this DE line is parallel to BC line. So using basic proportionality theorem, we know that AD divided by DB, AD divided by DB will be equals to AE divided by EC is equals to AE divided by EC using basic proportionality theorem. So correct option will be option C. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.